Evo Max Series camera settings. Power on the aircraft and enter the main interface of the Enterprise app. Click Split Screen in the upper right corner to switch between 3-screen or 2-screen display. Click the Settings button to configure the grid, histogram, defogging effect, watermark, lighting, and file storage path. To take photos, click the white shooting button on the screen or the shooting button on the remote controller. To take videos, click the red button on the screen or the record button on the remote controller. You can check these photos or videos later in Album. In the zoom and infrared dual screen mode, you can use the linked zoom function, and the two screens will be zoomed in or out synchronously. Enter full screen mode with the zoom camera. Set the pitch angle of the gimbal on the left. You can click the one-time zoom button on the right, and the zoom slider will pop up. Then drag the number up and down to adjust the camera zoom factor, with the maximum being 160 times. Tap the infrared button to start configuring the thermal camera. Set the pitch angle of the gimbal on the left. You can click the one-time zoom button on the right, and the zoom slider will pop up. Then drag up and down to adjust the camera zoom factor, with the maximum being 16 times. Select a color palette and set the infrared mode. For image mode, set to manual. Configure the image contrast and brightness as needed, or click the automatic mode to allow the temperature measurement to automatically adjust the image into an optimal range. Long press the blank area of the screen to measure the local temperature. You can also customize the temperature measurement interval by clicking the preset search function in Isotherm. Enable image enhancement and adjust the sharpness of image details by dragging left or right, or by manually entering a value. Click FFC to calibrate the infrared camera. This optimizes the quality of thermal imaging, making temperature changes more noticeable. Thanks for watching.